Discovery.
I'd like to
What are
challenge
you?
you to think. Try to think of a time when you were young and you were looking in the mirror. Picture it. When you were looking in the mirror, was that you looking back? And now, when you look in the mirror, a much older version of yourself, is that still you looking back? I hope the answer is yes. But did you know that the body's cells regenerate fully every decade? Which means the human that you were looking at when you were a kid is not the same human being as you're looking at now. Does that make sense to you? Every cell in your current body is completely different than the cells of that child. Not one cell remains. So what is the only constant thing from that time till now? And you may say, well, it's my mind. But that is not the case as well, and I'll get to that. It should be evident that this body is not us. In fact, let's explore the word body. If I were to remove both my arms, would I still have a body? What if I were to remove an eye? Would I still have a body? What if I extracted all the blood from my system? Would I still have a body? You see, the body is like a heap or a pile. It is not a thing. It is just made up of many individual parts, and we call it a body. Just like we would call a whole bunch of logs a pile of logs. I hope this is all making sense to you. The body is not actually a thing. Neither is the mind. The mind is just an energy field where thoughts are generated. And it is not you. Most of the time, your mind just comes up with random thoughts. It may hum a tune, it may sing a song stuck in your head, and it can even get more sinister by telling you things that are not true, that are not real. And you never ask for any of these thoughts. The mind just generates these thoughts automatically. The mind is not you. So the question is, if I'm not my body, and I'm not the mind and the thoughts that are generated in my mind, what am I? This is not religion. This is not about a belief system. I'm truly trying to challenge you to think, what are you?